Welcome dear students. Today we will do exercise 2.7 question number 1. Question number 1 says find. Here in this exercise we will learn division of decimals. Okay, so first question is 0.4 divided by 2. How you will divide this one? So for this we have many methods. Easiest method is to change this decimal number in fraction. Divide by 2 means by 2. From here, since it is point is here, after point we have one digit. If you are removing the decimal, here you have to multiply with 10. So now this is 4 by 2 into 10, that is 2 times, that is 2 by 10, or we can write 2 by 10 as 0.2. One method is this one. Second method is simple division, as we were doing earlier, but in this one you will have doubt if we have decimal in both these things, in question dividend and divisor both, then you will have difficulty. But here since 0 is there, so we will put decimal here 2 times. So in this way we can do division, but the easiest one is first changing the number into fraction, then dividing it, then change it into decimal. This one. Second one is 0.35 divided by 5. That means 0.35 divided by 5 means in division we will write in denominator 5. Now we will remove the decimal from here. To remove decimal, what we see, after decimal we have 2 digits, so we will write 20 here. Now 5 7 times 35, that is 7 by 100. This one, if you are dividing, that means 7 by 100. Here we have 20, so we will put decimal after 2 digits. So first digit is 7, take 10, then after here we will put 10. Means we are doing very easily this one. Third one is 2.48 divided by 4. So 2.48 divided by 4. Remove the decimal. Here we have 2 digits, so put 20. 4 6 are 24, 4 2 are 8, that is 62 by 100. Here we have 20, put decimal after 2 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, that means 0.62. Simple way. This is the simplest way how to divide. Now we have 65.4 divided by 6, fourth question. So we write 65.4 divided by 6. Remove the decimal. Here it was only one place. After decimal we have one digit, so we will put 10. Now for division, divide by 2. 2 3 times, 2 3 times, then 2 2 are 4, 1 4, 14, 7 times. 3, again it is divisible. 3 1 are 3, 0, 3 9 are 27. That is 109 by 10. If you are dividing by 10, it will come 10.9, because here we have only one 0 place, so we will put decimal after one digit. Question number 5, 651.2 means 651.2 divided by 4. So 651.2 divided by 4. Now we will remove this decimal. After decimal we have one digit, so we will multiply by 10. Divisible by 2. This one is also divisible by 2. 2 times 2, 3, 2, 5, 6. Again it is divisible by 2. 1, 6, 2, 8. Now 1, 6, 2, 8 divided by 10, that is 162.8. Simple. Now sixth one is 14.49 by 7. 14.49 divided by 7. Remove this one. Here it will have some 100. 7 2 times 14, then 4 will come, 0, 7 7 are 49. So 207 by 100 means 2.07. Question number 7 of question number 1 is 3.96 divided by 4. So 3.96 divided by 4. Now remove this decimal. If you are removing after decimal, we have 2 digits, so we will multiply by 100. Now decimal is removed. Now this one is divisible by 2, this one is also divisible by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 2 8 ja 16, again it is divisible, 2 9 ja 18, 2 9 ja 18, that is 99 by 100. If you are dividing 99 by 100, it is not divisible, so we will put decimal here, 10 will take 9 times 900, again 90 will come, again 10 will take 9 times, that is 0.99. What we see, if it is divisible by 100, we are putting decimal after 2 digit. If we are divisible by 10, we will put decimal after 1 digit. So if we have division, if we are dividing by 10, decimal after 1 digit, 100 2 digit, 1000 3 digit, means if it depends, decimal digit depends upon the number of zeros. Means if there is number of zeros, as many zeros are there, we will put decimal after that many digits. Okay, so this one is like this. Then question number 8 is 0.80 divided by 5. Remove this one, 100, this 0 is divisible, then this one is not divisible, 8 by 50. Now divide 8 by 50. Decimal you will put 0, 1 times 50, again 30 will come, again 0, 5, 6, the 30, it is coming 0.16 like this. Now question number 2, find number 1, 4.8 division divided by 10. So here we are dividing by 10, 100. In question number 2, all the division you can see it is by 10 only. So if we are dividing any number by 10, simple way, first we are showing you 4.8 divided by 10. If you are removing here, 10 will come. Now it will be 48 by 100. So if you are dividing 48 by 100, 48 is not divisible, so we will put decimal 0, 100 4 times 400, 80, again 10, 8 times. What we have seen, if you are dividing by 10, this decimal was shifting 1 digit toward left, means it is moving from here to here, it is shifting. So as many zeros is there, it will shift so much number of digits. Means if the number of digit is 1, if the number of 0 is 1, we will put decimal after 1 digit, or it will shift by 1 digit toward the left hand side. If it is 2 digit, then it by 100, then it will shift by 2 digit. If it is 1000, it will shift by 3 digit toward left. So in this one, what it is, 52.5 divided by 10. Since 0 is here, it will shift by 1 place, it will go to here. Decimal will be here, that is 5.25. Simple way. Here also third question is 0.7 divided by 10. So decimal is here, it will move 1 digit toward left, so this will become 0.07. Question number 4 is 33.1 divided by 10. So it will change by 1 place toward left, that is 3.31. Same way in question number 5, it is 272.23 divided by 10. This will change from 1 place, that will become 27.23223. 2 is 2 times 3. Then question number 6, 0.56 by 10. It will become 0.056. Question number 7 is 3.97 divided by 10. It will become 0.397. So for division by 10, 100, 1000, just place of decimal changes toward the left. It is division, it is moving from right to left, and if it is multiplication, it is moving from left to right. Only places change. Next question. Thanks for watching my video.